How to cancel NBA subscriptions. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you want to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Different options will be visible to you, but you have to head over to subscriptions. You have to wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. In this page, it will show you all of the applications that you have bought the subscription of. For me, you can see none of the application is available, which means that I haven't bought any of the subscription of the app. But for you, if you have bought it, then the application must be visible in here. You should definitely see the NBA app. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, the option of cancel subscription will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on it. And then the subscription will be cancelled successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel NBA subscriptions. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.